Hey there, Aquamen and women. This is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to look at the Lifetime Tamarack Angler 100 Fishing Kayak. It's got about 700 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.4 out of 5 stars. And you can get this sweet baby bundled with or without a paddle. Up to you. Just check out the listing. It weighs about 52 pounds and has a weight capacity of 275 pounds. It's durable with high-density polyethylene construction and a 5-year limited warranty. And it's also about 10 feet long and 31 inches wide. The high-density polyethylene is also UV protected, and there are multiple footrest positions for different size riders. The bottom is stable and flat. There's an adjustable padded seat back and seat pad for comfort, 2 flush-mounted fishing rod holders, and 1 top-mount fishing rod holder as well. There's a front and rear shock cord straps, 2 6-inch storage compartments in the rear and center, 1 paddle keeper, and 1 adult black paddle, if you get that option. There's front and rear T-handles for easy transportation, and a deep hull for helping to track in channels. Now let me share with you a helpful review from a verified purchaser. First kayak purchase, so I can't really compare it to others, but I love it. Took it on a float trip down the Arkansas River, and everyone was pretty jealous of it. Had it a few times out on the lake, and it did great. I cannot say enough good things about Lifetime. Their customer service via email was phenomenal. Quick response, they went above and beyond when they needed to. I had an issue with my kayak that was my fault, and they were quick to fix the issue for me. Well, there you go. The Lifetime Tamarack Angler 100 Fishing Kayak. Order today, I think you're gonna love it.